When you have successfully created a category and would like to add the category and its entries to appear on a web page, you need to then add the marker to the page where you would like for them to appear. To add markers to a page, you will need to go back to the BannerOS dashboard by clicking on the BannerView.com logo in the upper left-hand corner. Go down to the Pages section and click on Manage Pages. Click on the page where you would like your blogs to appear. Click on the blue, yellow, and white edit box to edit the page. Put your mouse on the page where you would like the entries to appear. Scroll down to Insert Dynamic Content and choose BannerBeat Listing from the drop-down. Choose the category or all categories to add the category to the page. You can also click the plus sign to add more than one category. Additional options will allow you to choose some advanced features. You can hide the page navigation, choose what to sort by, choose ascending or descending, show how many entries per page you would like to see, and whether you would like to display all entries, entries with action dates in the past, or entries with action dates in the future. You can also skip the embedded display, which is useful for lists and templates. Click Add Selected Blogs. Once you have done so, you can click Preview to view the page. Click Save Changes once done. To return to the BannerOS dashboard, click Back to Home.